Okay, I got these new little shocks from my hard top back window because my back window shocks aren't working anymore, and I have to use a pole to hold it up right now. It's kind of annoying. So I went on YouTube and found a guy who bought these shocks off of Amazon. 16 bucks. All you gotta do is pop off the old ones and snap on the new ones and you're good to go. So I'm gonna show you my easy little shock install while we're in Arizona. So in watching this other guy's video, basically you only need one tool, which is either a screwdriver or, you know, a knife. He used a knife. I have a knife. So I'm gonna just pop my little knife in here and pop out this little stupid spring. Oh, helps if you can see what I'm doing. And then it should just come off. It's hard to do it with one hand. Let me put the phone down really fast. Okay, I need two hands. I'll come back. Okay, so yeah, I just needed to pry that little spring clip out and pull it off. It did require two hands for me, so I just got to do the rest and it should be good to go. Okay, and it's pried off, and all I have to do is, as a little ball, take the little hole, stick it on the ball, and snap on. Okay, I need a better angle. Two hands usually helps. Snap! There you go. Now I just gotta do bottom one, turn it, I gotta lift up my window a little more and I will snap that on. Okay, so I got them both on. Right side. Now, I don't have to have a stupid stick to hold my window up anymore because all this does, it comes down. Yay! And look at this, one-handed, no holding nothing, no stick. Woo! Very nice. I think the brand is Boxy. Amazon. $16. Real easy to install. And it's done. I know that's on my camping shit in the back, so yeah. I don't have to worry about holding up the back with a stick. Mom is happy. Yay! Closing her down. Good to go. Boom!